what I need to do is I need to get this little piece, which is actually going to be the equivalent of that, but joined through, through there without breaking it. So that is going to come out without breaking it across there. And also I mustn't damage the screen. So my idea is to put the screen inside a piece of paper like that, which means that both sides of the screen will be covered and won't touch anything. However, I'll have that little bit of ribbon cable coming out. Once I have got that, so basically it's this, isn't it? So once that goes, once that goes through and then pops around into here, I'll have the paper protecting the screen, and hopefully I'll be able to do all the bits and bobs I need to do without breaking the screen, breaking the ribbon cable or anything else.